Hello everyone, in this video we have been given x plus y equal 5xy, y plus z equal 6yz, z plus x equal 7zx, x, y, z not equal to 0. Now we are going to find the value of 96 into x plus y plus z. Answer: x plus y equal 5xy, then x plus y divided by xy equal 5xy divided by xy, then x divided by xy plus y divided by xy equal 5. X cancel, then 1 divided by y plus y cancel, then 1 divided by x equal 5, then 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y equal 5. Equation 1. Y plus z equal 6yz, then y plus z divided by yz equal 6yz divided by yz, then y divided by yz plus z divided by yz equal 6. Y cancel, then 1 divided by z plus z cancel, then 1 divided by y equal 6, then 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z equal 6. Equation 2. Z plus x equal 7zx, then z plus x divided by zx equal 7zx divided by zx, then z divided by zx plus x divided by zx equal 7. Z cancel, then 1 divided by x plus x cancel, then 1 divided by z equal 7. Equation 3. Adding equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, then we get 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z plus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by z equal 5 plus 6 plus 7, then 2 into 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z equal 18, then 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z equal 18 divided by 2, then 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z equal 9. Equation 4. Subtraction of equation 1 from equation 4, then we get 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y equal 9 minus 5. Then 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by y equal 4. 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x cancel. 1 divided by y minus 1 divided by y cancel. Then 1 divided by z equal 4. Then z equal 1 divided by 4. Subtraction of equation 2 from equation 4, then we get 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z equal 9 minus 6. Then 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by y minus 1 divided by z equal 3. 1 divided by y minus 1 divided by y cancel. 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by z cancel. Then 1 divided by x equal 3. Then x equal 1 divided by 3. Subtraction of equation 3 from equation 4, then we get 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by z equal 9 minus 7. Then 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by z equal 2. 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by x cancel. 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by z cancel. Then 1 divided by y equal 2. Then y equal 1 divided by 2. Therefore 96 into x plus y plus z equal 96 into 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4. Then equal 96 into LCM 12. Then 4 plus 6 plus 3 divided by 12, then equal 96 into 13 divided by 12, then equal 8 into 13, then equal 104, then 96 into x plus y plus z equal 104. Thus, our answer (96) into x plus y plus z equal 104.